Okay children, so welcome back to the next topic of unitary method, where the value of many units will be given or the value of some units will be given, and we have to find the value of many units. Now previously we have seen when the value of many units is given, and then you have to find the value of one unit by dividing. Also we have seen that when the value of one unit is given, and to find the value of many units we have multiplied. Now here in this case, when we know the value of some units and we have to find the value of many units, both the operations can be used, will be used. Means multiplication and division, both the operations we are going to use. Now let's take one example where the cost of 10 toys is given as rupees 500. Rupees 500 is the cost of 10 toys, and we are asked to find the cost of 17 toys. Now to find the cost of 17 toys, first we have to calculate the cost of one toy, and then we will multiply the cost of one toy with 17. So here, to find the cost of one toy we have to divide, and then again to find the cost of 17 toys we have to multiply. So division and multiplication, both the operations will be used. Now let's see. Now what is given? It is given that the cost of 10 toys is rupees 500. So to find the cost of one toy, we will divide 500 by 10. So rupees 500 divided by 10 is rupees 50. Rupees 50 is the cost of one toy. Now we have calculated the cost of one toy, so we can easily calculate the cost of 17 toys, as we know the cost of one toy. So to find the cost of 17 toys, we will multiply the cost of one toy by 17. So 50 multiplied by 17 is rupees 850. So rupees 850 is the cost of 17 toys. So in this way we can calculate the cost of many units or many items when the cost of some items is given. First we have divided to find the cost of one toy, and then we have multiplied to find the cost of many toys, that is 17 toys. So in this way, division and multiplication, both the operations has to be used when these type of questions comes.